looking forward to this report as anybody else. You've heard it's part of the conversation here. I mean, if there's something that I said, what's the most important thing that we need to hear tonight? How do you answer that?
China. Joe touched upon it, but he's highlighting a disconnect that we will see right when 4:20 p.m. Eastern hits. Why is that? Earnings will come out. You have sell side that has a certain number, $52 to $53 billion for their revenue guide.
What say you?
And what other company in the world is going to give you $46 billion in quarterly revenue, 50% earnings and revenue growth, and talk about the potential for the return of sales in China? Now,
NVIDIA's earnings are in, and the $250 billion bet? Well, it didn't pay out the way anyone expected. Investors braced for a financial earthquake tonight, a $260 billion swing hanging in the balance. Instead, NVIDIA delivered a tremor, not a quake. Wall Street was on edge, options traders were pricing in fireworks, and every investor with NVIDIA in their portfolio had sweaty palms. But when the dust settled, the stock barely moved compared to the hype, slipping just about 3% after hours. That's still a $50 to $60 billion market cap drop, but nowhere near the $260 billion tsunami the street was ready for. Now, here's what actually happened. Revenue came in at $46.7 billion, a solid beat against the $46 billion expected. Guidance for the next quarter? $54 billion, slightly higher than Wall Street's $53 billion target. Strong numbers, but not the monster beat the bulls were chanting for. And that's the key, whispers were louder than reality. Data center sales, while massive, didn't smash the whisper numbers. And management confirmed, no H20 chip sales to China this quarter. That single detail kept investors from popping champagne. So where does that leave us? Investors are split. Some are breathing a sigh of relief that the rocket didn't crash. Others are frustrated, waiting for the next big spark to send NVIDIA into orbit again. Bottom line, the $250 billion swing didn't land. The street expected an explosion. What we got was a controlled landing. NVIDIA is still a giant, still posting jaw-dropping growth, but tonight, it reminded everyone that even rockets need fuel to keep climbing.